welcome to my channel. So if y'all hear this music, it's not me, it's the people upstairs all day long, all night long. That's what they do. Anyways, I'm gonna call this video a quick fix. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on my other social media platforms.
Yeah.
So let's get into the video. Okay, so I go thrifting so much and I always find like Adidas and Nike sweatpants, and I'm like, get them for the cheap. The issue is that they're always, I guess, vintage. And why I say they're vintage is because they're never tapered. In this era, everything's like tapered to your legs at the bottom, but they're always bell bottoms, which means they're flared. So I'm going to show you an easy fix to be able to buy those from the thrift store and still wear them in the 21st century. So keep on watching. So this is the look we're not going for. These aren't terrible. I've seen worse. But these just like regular sweatpants. We want them to look stylish. So first, grab the end. I'll actually say do the inside. So pull it. Fold it over. This is how it should look. And from there, you're just going to roll it up. So keep it folded. And roll both sides. I recommend rolling it at least 3 times. So this is what it should look like. And you see how it's tapered now to your leg. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.